Hello bakers! Today I'm sharing a recipe for vanilla and praline tart. It was delicious, made with a sweet pastry, consisting of a layer of praline, a praline joconde biscuit, and a smooth vanilla ganache. Let's begin with the tart dough. You will need to combine the flour, almond powder, icing sugar, and the butter and egg. A few days ago I posted a video with all my tips for making the tart dough successfully. Don't hesitate to check it out. You mix everything without overworking it. You form a ball and place it in the refrigerator for an hour. Next, you will roll it out on a floured surface to a thickness of approximately 3 millimeters. If you enjoy the recipe, I hope you'll like the video as it's very important to me. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. There are plenty of great recipes, and if you want to receive notifications, just click on the little bell. You place the tart base on a perforated baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You cut the base. I utilized a 22 centimeter ring. I will show you. You can find all the ingredients and equipment I use for this recipe in the description under the video. Be sure to check it out. I post any changes below the video. You will brush your circle. Place strips on the edges and cut off the excess. And you place it in the refrigerator overnight. Next, we will prepare the ganache. You can do this the day before. You will infuse a vanilla pod with whole liquid cream off the heat for 1 hour. Remove the pod from the mixture after 1 hour, gently warm the cream and drizzle it evenly over the white chocolate. You mix until it melts. Add some liquid cream. Cover it with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours. Let's get our pie crust. It's the day. You prick the bottom with a fork. You place a disc of parchment paper, small ceramic beads. Then bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees and lower the temperature to 150. Next, we prepare the joconde biscuit by mixing melted butter with icing sugar. You add the flour, hazelnut powder, and the eggs. Ideally, you will have a little too many cookies, and you should have used 1.5 eggs. But it's a bit of a waste, just as well to prepare it. Plus, whatever cookies are left, you can snack on them. So tasty. You will whisk together the egg whites and the sugar to make meringue. Then you will fold it into the batter. I have my joconde biscuit. This isn't a classic joconde biscuit. I used less sugar since there's already praline and ganache. It's sweet enough, so I didn't want to add more. It's balanced this way. Next, you will pipe a circle the size of your tart base and put it in the oven. We retrieve the tart base. You will spread praline over it. I admit I didn't weigh it. It should be about 150 grams, I think. That's a nice layer. Place your joconde biscuit on top. Feel free to trim it a little if it's too big, as it likely puffed up a bit while baking. We take the ganache and whip it slowly until it reaches a thicker consistency. Next, you will put it into a piping bag with a Saint Honoré nozzle attached. And then you will pipe it out. Icing lines. To completely cover your tart, it's a bit different from traditional decorations, and I found it very nice. It's really easy to do, trust me. Afterward, with my leftover sweet pastry, I had cut out little hearts that I used to decorate my tart. I added small dollops of praline and some gold leaf. I'll give you a 15% discount on gold leaf. I'll mention it in the video. It was super pretty. I made this recipe for my daughter's birthday. We will cut a slice and look inside. I assure you, it was really well balanced, not too sweet, and it was delicious with the different textures. We absolutely enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you soon for another recipe. Bye!